Them, but Parishina them out today. Unique wicked, you know. Look on the picture where you put up for me, Parishina them. For people think so we not observe physical distancing. How do get away from here? No, sir. Yes, me like that one, you know. Good. Make Parishina them complying with the law.
Harold, get away from here.
Of course.
One time.
He's fighting against Spanish Town and Portmore, Old Harbour, Guysville, Glengar. Come on. So the lockdown has ended. Yay, St. Catherine. On a go on good. No, please, not spoil it.
Well, that is the second part.
Not
Go ahead
it.
and issue
Not
the...
spoil it.
Yes.
Oh, no. But you see the picture? We have to wear our masks. We have to observe physical distancing. We have to sanitize. If you don't have to come out, don't come out.
But Harris, if
Yes,
they were
darling.
coming out while the lockdown was going on.
No. When the days were open for us to come out, we come out. True. If you drive through the communities on the days when people are supposed to be out, they weren't out.
But there were some people who were trying to.
One or
There
two.
will always be anyway.
Yeah, man.
But
That's
if the majority is holding to what ought to obtain.
Me drive around Simone and a life. Them went in. Me go give them credit. You know me cuss them if them never do them have to do, you know. But St. Catherine, you don't go and go. True. Proud of now. So nobody make me shame now. It open. Make we show people how parish can be disciplined and how we can do. Harold.
I want to know, Harris.
Yes.
How y'all are gonna... So if you're at work today, you need to leave from like 3:05 to go home because traffic is usually on the toll road, even now, right?
Yeah.
During the lockdown, and it's only essential people supposed to be on the road. So I hope they've made allowances for the fact that people will be back out today.
Yeah, man. It wasn't so bad because remember now a lot of people are still working from home.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, depending on age group and so on, still are not coming out.
Okay.
So that still pertains. The only difference is that now we can actually. So I think a lot of people, even in lockdown, just stay inside the home. So if you're not going to work, nothing really are going to Kingston where you miss or anywhere else. So stay which part of there.
Copy that.
Enjoy yourself. No, because them basically now walk up and down either.
Copy that.
So we're cool. Enough places open now. That means a Simone place are going to open. Tax offices will be open on Monday. Banks are going to be open. Come on, St. Catherine. Come on.
That's good. But guys, please observe the protocols so we can keep it as healthy and as safe as we can, especially in light of this latest report from the Ministry of Health, now confirming that 19 of its employees have tested positive for COVID, following the sampling and testing of over 300 employees from its New Kingston offices, bringing the number of cases now to 422.
So you see, this is a big part of why we have to stop and big up the health workers because they literally put their lives on the line. So, and I think the last press that came out said there was one more death. I think a 63-year-old, bringing that total to 8. So, again, that's 26 new positive cases in the past 24 hours. Bringing the total to 422. I'm dying for us to get to the place where the confirmed cases gone back to single digits.
Yes.
Single digits. We're up in the double digits too long now.
Yes.
We need to say today confirmed case 3.
Yeah.
1. Confirmed case, none know about none. Confirmed case, still none know about none. That's where we need to go.
Well, let's hope we see some of that happening in May. Because what we're trying to do is flatten the curve, not, make it shoot up. Yes, Clive, what are you saying? Last topic?
And I don't know why people
Which
should make
one?
distance a problem. Because Jamaica people talk loud and we can't feel like hear me. I'm not for them front time. The last hot topic says, Oracle billionaire Larry Ellison bought a Hawaiian island for $300 million in 2012, and he's paying full wages and benefits for the island's workers during the pandemic shutdown.
Nice. The island is called Lanai. It's the smallest inhabited island in Hawaii. It's home to 3,200 residents. It has 3 hotels, several restaurants, and other businesses. This gentleman owns a 98% stake in the island, and he hopes to turn the island into a sustainable wellness laboratory. He's promised to pay workers through May 1, which is today. And a spokesperson for his operating arm on the island told Business Insider that no decisions have been made at this time about whether he will continue past that date. So today is the day when they will know. He's been paying full wages and benefits for workers on his Hawaiian island, while many of its businesses have been shut down because of the coronavirus pandemic.
Yeah, but him for pay.
You have it?
No, that him have it. There are